Act 1, hook, beginning, calm, mysterious tone. Slow pace, pauses to create depth. Have you ever felt that you are more than what the mirror shows? More than thoughts, more than flesh. As if there are hidden layers within you, silent, unseen, yet alive. Ancient wisdom whispers that human consciousness is not one surface, but a vast ocean, each layer deeper than the last, each layer holding secrets, waiting to be discovered. Pause, reflective shift. And maybe the struggles we face in life, the moments of joy and despair, are not random. They are invitations to dive into those hidden depths. Act 2, rising tension. First layer, voice softens, becomes storytelling. The first layer of consciousness is simple. It is the surface we all know. The world of senses. We wake, we walk, we eat, we feel the sun on our skin. It is here we learn survival, comfort, and desire. But even at this first layer, there are illusions. We mistake pleasure for fulfillment. We mistake distraction for peace. And yet, beneath this layer, a faint voice calls, there is more. It is in the stillness of a quiet night, in the pause after laughter fades, when you suddenly feel an emptiness, that the second layer begins to reveal itself. Act 3, deeper layer, inner struggle. Tone shifts, deeper, slower, with tension. This second layer is the realm of thoughts. Here, the mind becomes both teacher and trickster. Thoughts weave stories. Some uplift us, some chain us. In this layer, battles are fought that no one else can see. I remember nights staring at the ceiling. Thoughts swirling like storms, questions rising like waves. Who am I really? Why do I feel this way? Where is all of this leading? Here, ancient wisdom warns us. The mind is powerful, but not always truthful. To move deeper, one must learn to watch thoughts. Without being owned by them, pause, gentle reflection. And when you begin to notice that you are not your thoughts, but the awareness behind them, you enter the third layer.
Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to follow us for more inspiring content every week.